In this video, I will show you how to create a story on Telegram. First of all, open Telegram application. Now click on the camera icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Once we do that, we can now go ahead, take a picture, take a video, whichever you prefer. Then click on the next button. You can add any stickers or anything like that. Once you do that, as you can see, you can exclude certain people. You can post to your contacts, your close friends, or selected contacts. If you want to do this, or you can leave it on everyone. Once you do this, click on Post Story. And then once you post that story, that will mean you have uploaded that specific story to your Telegram channels. So it's just that simple to upload stories to your Telegram. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.